Hi, it's Benjamin here with Safe Drive Solutions, and today we're going to learn about how to pair an iPhone to a GNET dash camera. So, first thing we're going to do is not open the app. Very important, because a lot of people will go and open up the app first when trying to pair, and what ends up happening is it actually causes like a loop, kind of gets stuck. So we're just going to go into Wi-Fi. We're going to find that your password is QWERTYUIOP. That is the default, which is the whole top line of the row on an Apple phone. You're going to see it connect. There we go. We're good. Okay. And now we're going to hit the button. So on this unit here, see there's a little button. We're going to hit the button for registration.
Standby mode for the registration.
And now we're going to open up the app. Make sure you release the permissions. Very important. If you deny them, the app will not work correctly.
The registration.
And as you can see there, I actually had to close the app and reopen it. And the reason why I had to do that is because I did open it prior to showing you. So if it's running in the background, it will get locked up. So the majority of these dash camera apps actually get very low reviews out there in the market. And the reason why they do is because they typically don't have like a kind of like a background app refresh where it keeps on refreshing it to look. So you need to make sure to force close it and then reopen it again.